Hey, this is Mandar from Copper. I'm going to answer your questions. Are mutual funds risky? You must have heard the statement mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. That's a standard disclaimer which is applied by all mutual fund companies. So, yes, mutual fund invest in securities or stocks of companies. So, they are invested in equity, and equity in most of the cases is a riskier investment, right? So returns of mutual funds actually depends on the market growth, and therefore the returns are not guaranteed. Just to give you an example, I have, let's say, around 5 or 6 lakh rupees invested in mutual funds, right? And before COVID actually struck, right, there was a 10-20% loss that I suffered because the global economy was crashing, right? With COVID there was a further dip, and only now my investments have started to recover, right? So if the market is rising, then the value of the mutual funds will also rise, and you will start making a profit. If there is a fall in the market, like all of us suffered, right, the value of the funds, mutual funds, reduced, and most of us who were invested in mutual funds suffered a loss, right? You need to think about this and keep your risk appetite in perspective before investing in mutual funds, right? But to to the point that not all mutual funds are having the same element of risk. Equity mutual funds, where 65 or more percentage of your funds or your money is allocated towards equity, are slightly riskier, right? So if the market falls, you might lose some money. Whereas on the other side, there are debt funds that are low riskier, right? Because the mutual fund manager will usually invest in, you know, uh, government bonds, corporate bonds, and which provide relatively risk-free, stable returns, right? But the returns would be much lesser than the returns offered by an equity mutual funds. So just to summarize, yes, you might lose money. Yes, you might also gain money when you're invested in mutual funds. So, choose the right mutual fund based on your investment horizon, based on your risk appetite, and based on, how you perceive or how much disposable income you have, right? How much you want to invest. So let us know what you feel about risk in your life. And is risk actually stopping you from investing in mutual funds? Please comment below and let us know. Have a good day.